Grouping by everything except for one index column in pandas. My data analysis repeatedly falls back on a simple but iffy motif, namely groupie everything except. Take this multi-index example, df. What I want to do now, for instance, is averaging over all available trials while retaining info about names and conditions. This is easily achieved. Under real-world conditions, however, there's a lot more metadata stored in the multi-index. The index easily spans 8 to 10 columns per row. So the pattern above becomes quite unwieldy. Ultimately, I'm looking for a discard operation. I want to perform an operation that throws out or reduces a single index column. In the case above, that's trial number. Should I just bite the bullet, or is there a more idiomatic way of going about this? This might well be an anti-pattern. I want to build a decent intuition when it comes to the true pandas way. Thanks in advance.
You could define a helper function for this. Demo. You can remove more than one level too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.